Rosie, we are upstairs in the studio and it's going to turn out really cool. The last couple of days we have busy and being creative just to repaint the shelves and make them a little bit thicker. I received the question a lot like, why is it nature style Iwagumi? Well, I will show you guys. Normally in the Iwagumi style bales, it's quite normal just to use a small type of plants. So you got maybe one species or two or three, just to keep things minimalistic and all in the flow. So that's why I called it a nature style Iwagumi. Wait until you see the end. But we're going to add a lot of plants, not too much what I had downstairs in the other tank, but just enough just to keep the hardscape visible. So what we received are some nice plants from Dennerle-Plants and we are going to start the build. Well, what we received are a lot of plants. So just let me show you guys what I think I'm going to use in this build. I have from Dennerle-Plants cryptocorini, I don't know the name, but this is the flamingo version. It looks really nice. Yeah, never had that one before. I'm quite curious about the colors and yeah, just really cool. We also have the Iliocarus lucilla, of course. This is the dwarf hairgrass that we're gonna use around the stones. We're gonna use the Ricardia as well. This is also really nice moss type. We are also going to use, I think, the Cryptocoran parva. So this is a potted version and this is an in vitro cup. I hear you guys thinking, what's the difference? Well, plants, they're really nice, but if you buy the in vitro version, then it's really, how can you say it, free from pesticides, snails and algae. And yeah, this one, they say is you can have algae and snails with some local store dealer, but if you buy high quality plants at high quality stores, you never had the problem, and you can see them. The plants are doing perfect, and this is the parva. It's a really nice and easy grass and it looks really cool. We also have some Micromentum Monte Carlo. So this is the Monte Carlo version. So it's really nice. You can put this one in the soil attached to wood if you have enough nutrients in the water. And this one came in as a small plant because yeah, they're not that big, but I didn't have the time to create it even faster. But look how big it's growing into the tank below. And this is the Antennaterra Reiniki, and this is the red ruby. Yeah, can't wait to try this one out. The leaves are a little bit bigger at the moment. And we also have the Microphyllum guaya. So the Microphyllum guaya, I have them downstairs in the tank below, and I'm really a big fan of the plant because the leaves are so beautiful. See, it looks really nice, and it's just a perfect plant to have in the tank. It needs a lot of CO2, so that shouldn't be a problem. Let's start planting. So we take the red ruby out of the pot. Just use a tweezer or a fork or something just to gently go down the roots, and then you can take off all of this debris.